What's going on, Brian? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. Got permission to send this over from Gabby, so I hope this finds you well. So we're gonna scroll all the way to the top over here, take a look at your website, see what's going on. So right off the bat, like your logo over here, Powerhouse Painting Home Improvements. I would make this just a little bit smaller, put it all the way in the left corner, right alongside the home button over here. Reviews, services with a drop down menu, excellent. Painting has a second drop down menu, nothing wrong with that, that's pretty good. And then specials, financing, learning hub, gallery, stuff like that, great. And then click to call, you got your email in there as well, serving Williamsburg and Yorktown. Oh, you got to go across that little bridge over there, I believe. Okay, anyway, just scrolling through, big points lost over here because this does not go away, right? People can't see, which means it's a really big header and we got to make it go away. So it's not. So it's very difficult for us to kind of go through and see what's going on. And then this thing on the side does not go away unless I hit accept, and I'm not going to hit accept. So how much does the painting service costs? Again, it's just so much room is lost over here. Um, Props, though, I wish that these were links to other pages that you do have because that's a lot of services and you don't say them over here, which is a problem because you would want to. So more points taken off. But anyway, um, I guess that's you know, testimonials. Let's work together and then talk with us. I used to live. I can't see anything. Newport News. It's Pocosin. Somewhere in Newport News. Kiln Creek, I think, is well, no, Kiln Creek is it, but still. Anyway, so that's your website link. Anyway, let's go to the back end, see what's going on, see what you can do as far as everything goes. So Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. So you have an 18 UR rating, which is basically how strong your website link is. That's okay. And then you have a 1.9 in the trust department with Google. Now, all of that has to do with backlinks. So you have 366 backlinks. And a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else that somebody can click on and it'll come back to you. When it comes back to you, that's called a referring domain. And you have only 41 out of 366. Now, your rating is only 1.9, which is going to lead me to believe that some of these are very spammy like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia, stuff like that, things that, don't make sense to have. But anyway, you do have 36 organic keywords. Now, a keyword is what somebody can put into Google and it'll pop up, a result, right? So here we got, that's your name, so that doesn't count. Neither does home improvement painting because it's an international keyword. Anyone in the world can type this up, which is why even if you're getting people from that, it doesn't necessarily mean it's helping you. And they're embedded in pictures, which is fine, I guess. But you can use your pictures to embed better keywords like this one, house painting Hampton, VA, 40 a month. Sorry, 40 people a month are searching for it. You're not getting any traffic because you're on page 2. That's the problem. You're on page 2. This guy, Williamsburg handyman. Okay, that's a good keyword. It's somebody who's looking for a handyman in Williamsburg. Great, 70 a month, 0 because you're on page number 3. So you got some of the right ideas as far as keywords go. This is definitely not what you want. That one's good. Painters Hampton, VA, 100 people a month searching for it. You're on page number 6. So I'm not going to help you out. Neither will this, because Sherwin-Williams is everywhere in the United States, so I don't know why that really helps. When to use what primer. Okay, so it seems like you got a little bit of a block going on, but let's take a look and see what's going on when I just type in a specific painter's Yorktown, VA, right? So somebody's looking for a painter in Yorktown. So right off the bat, we got your ad for CertaPro and your GMB. You got the regular GMB or Google My Painting, Google My Business, and very important to get in here because about 30-40% of everyone who searches anything will click on one of these guys. But right off the bat, we got Yelp and Yelp again, Home Advisor, Angie's List, and then Jay's Painting, right? So this is your organic search. People might click on one of these 4 guys up top over here, but they much rather pick on somebody who's new, not new, but fresh, and it's not a directory name, right? So we got Home, YJ's Painting. I don't know why they have that. Painting, Other Services, which is a drop-down menu. Carpenter bee damage repair? Interesting. Um, this should be a drop-down menu because there's so many different things people do in painting. Portfolio, contact, but their number's not here, so they lose tons of points on here. Schedule your estimate now. So it just brings you to an estimate form, which should just be on the front page anyway. Angie's List, A-rated. This is just, a lot of unnecessary stuff. How can I get an estimate? This is what he should have all the way up top. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, great. And then they're done. I don't know why they're up top. I mean, they're 5, so that doesn't mean anything. But let's take a look behind the scenes, see what they're doing. They have a 15 in the UR website rank department. They have a 0.2 as a trust rating, which is bad because they have 168 backlinks, 31 referring domains, so a lot of spammy websites in here because otherwise they'd have more than a 0.2. And then they do have 39 organic keywords, so not that much more than you. And let's see what they're doing. I don't know how they're ranking high. I don't even know how anyone can't beat them. Yorktown Painting, great. 10 people a month. They're on. I don't know how they're ranking. I don't know how no one's beating them out of the front page. Maybe everyone's website's terrible. That could be it. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna give you my own personal advice. Forget about him, right? There is a definite way for you to beat them as far as everything goes. We got to get strong referring domains, right? Now, it's not hard to search for. I mean, it is hard to search for them. You got to know where to search for them. But we got to get hard, good referring domains that are strong backlinks that actually help your website, get your DR rating up, rank you up higher, get actually good organic keywords. Yorktown painting, Newport News painting, stuff like that that actually work with you. Residential painting, Yorktown, different variations of the same type of keywords. And then finally, content. Content is key. First off, also, we got to clean up that header you have over there that can't let us see a lot of the page, and then the bottom left corner. That has to go because it's very difficult for us to see what's going on your website. Content on your website is also very important. We got to get a lot more content in there. Google really wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your page alone. That's all I got. Talking about those services and also you do those three things: backlinks, keywords, and content, and you will start ranking to the top because I don't see how anyone else is doing good with that because they do not have great websites or backlinks or keywords. That's all I got. All right. You have a good one. If you need anything, reach out. We could always talk more. Have any feedback? Of course, I would love to know. Bye.